Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Muhammad Usman Khan, your physics teacher from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera campus. Dear student, this is the summary of Zoom online class. In today's lecture, we are studying about physical quantities. Dear student, physical quantities can be categorized on the basis of their directional properties, scalar quantity and vector quantities. Scalar quantities can be defined as those quantity which completely described by only its magnitude or size. Magnitude means number with proper unit. For example, mass is a scalar quantity and can be specified as a number with proper unit. For example, 2 kg. So in this condition, 2 is a number and kg is a proper unit of mass. We do not need to know in what direction mass is needed. Dear student, the example of scalar quantities are length, mass, time, speed, distance, energy, volume, etc. Vector quantities. Vector quantities are those quantities which can be completely described by its magnitude or size as well as direction are called vector quantities. Some vector quantities are weight, velocity or friction. Required both magnitude and direction for complete description and are called vector quantities. वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज़ वो क्वांटिटीज़ होती है जिनको कम्प्लीटली डिफाइन करने के लिए मैग्नीट्यूड के साथ साथ उसकी डायरेक्शन की भी ज़रूरत होती है. वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज़ के एग्जांपल है वेट, वेलोसिटी, फ्रैक्शन. नेक्स्ट है रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ वेक्टर. वेक्टर को हम किस तरह रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. एक मेथड है सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन एंड सेकंड वन ग्राफिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन. Symbolic representation. Symbolically, vector is represented by a bold-faced letter, either capital or small. Vector can also be represented by a simple faced letter with an arrow over or below. In this book, we will represent a vector by a letter with an arrow over it. For example, A, B, C, and arrow over it. The second method is graphical representation. And graphical representation is a visual representation of information showing how quantities varies with another related quantities. Graphically, a vector is represented by an arrow. The length of the arrow gives the magnitude under the certain scale and the arrowhead point the direction of the vector. In this picture here showing a vector, the starting point of the vector called tail of the vector and the ending point of the vector called head of the vector. Next topic is coordinate system. Coordinate system are used to represent a vector. There are two types of coordinate system. First is geographical coordinate system. In geographically coordinate system having different direction, south, north, south, east, west, these four direction, and Cartesian coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system of a horizontal line called x-axis and the vertical line called y-axis, and the intersecting these two lines intersected at a point called origin. This is the diagram of geographical geographical coordinate system, and that is the Cartesian coordinate system. Thanks for your attention. Inshallah, the next topic will be discussed in next lecture. Thank you.